Join me as I dive deep into my own subconscious to uncover what my deepest desires are really trying to tell me. Our deepest desires are often more than just fleeting wishes or fantasies, they're messages from our inner selves, hinting at our true motivations and desires. Many of us struggle to understand our desires, and often dismiss them as mere whims or shallow wants. We might think they're unimportant or superficial, mere distractions from our daily lives. But what if we're wrong? What if our desires are actually trying to tell us something deeper about ourselves? We often push aside our desires, thinking they're not worth exploring or that they're not in line with our responsible adult selves. We might even feel guilty or ashamed of what we really want, thinking it's not acceptable or that others will judge us. But the truth is, our desires are a part of who we are, and they deserve to be acknowledged and explored. By ignoring our desires, we're essentially ignoring a part of ourselves. We're dismissing our own inner wisdom and intuition, which can lead to feelings of disconnection and unhappiness. So, why do we do this? Why do we neglect to explore our deepest desires, and what can we gain from listening to them instead? Desires come in many forms. They can be passions, interests, fantasies, or even fears. They can be about our relationships, career, health, or personal growth. Some desires might be loud and clear, while others might be subtle and hidden. But no matter what they are, they all have something to teach us about ourselves. Our desires can reflect our deepest values and needs, even if they don't always make sense on the surface. For example, a desire for freedom might be about wanting to break free from societal expectations, or a desire for wealth might be about wanting to feel secure and stable. By exploring our desires, we can gain a deeper understanding of what drives us and what we truly need to feel fulfilled. Our desires can also be a reflection of our inner conflicts and contradictions. We might desire something that seems contradictory to our current values or lifestyle, but that's exactly why it's worth exploring. Our desires can show us where we're feeling stuck or limited, and where we need to grow and evolve. Recognizing and validating our desires can be a powerful tool for personal growth and fulfillment. When we acknowledge and accept our desires, we can start to align ourselves with our true values and needs. We can start to make choices that support our deepest desires, rather than fighting against them or ignoring them. This, in turn, can lead to a sense of purpose and direction, and a more authentic and meaningful life. So, what can we learn from our desires? What are they trying to tell us about ourselves and our place in the world? By listening to our desires and exploring them deeply, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our true motivations. We can start to live a life that's more aligned with our values and needs, and find a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of desires. If you resonated with this video, be sure to share your thoughts on your own desires in the comments below.